So today we are going to see the topic cause and effect, and this will be the very important in technical writing, because in a technical writing, being an engineer, everyone must aware about what makes something to happen and what will be the reason for this. So this might be the concept to understand this topic in an easy way. I explored this topic with the 5 stages of design thinking. So as you all aware about define will be to understand about the definition part of this topic, whereas in a part of empathy we are understanding the user needs similar way, and in an ideate part we are exploring the problems faced by the personnel, and to give a proper solution, and to master over this topic we need to do more practice with the exercise. So how to identify and understand cause and effect relationship. So we just go and explore the definition of this topic. So a cause can be called as the reason why something happens. Similar way, effect will be the outcome of the cause. For instance, if you are getting some results by calculating mathematical, or else if you are doing some research work in a laboratory and all, those outcomes are based on the things what you have done previously. So this will be the basic keynote to understand this topic. And next we are going to see about few examples. So these examples definitely will help you to get closer with the topic. I just gonna read the sentence and its outcome, and then I tell you how you are going to connect the sentences by using the suitable expressions. So in this picture you can able to find the two pictures, one in a left side, another one in the right side. So in a left side I have given what happens when it rains. So the answer probably the ground gets wet or else the pond gets filled. Similarly, what happens if I don't study for the exam? You might fail the exam. Similarly, what happens when the power goes out? The lights go off. So in this way, so when you have the solid cause that leads for the expected outcomes. So how you are going to connect this cause and effect with the suitable expressions? So to connect the sentences, we are going to use expressions such as since, as, but, then you can use and also, therefore, as a result, hence, consequently, due to. So these are all the terms can be used in a sentence, which shows the which might perfectly connect the sentence in a better way. For instance, if you want to talk about the like outcome of the sentence in the sense, so you can use words such as therefore. So now we'll look at the slide here. So context for expressing cause. So situations where explaining reasons is useful, and effect will be the result of a cause. So we'll move on to the pathways to understand the causation. So as I told you already about the what are all the possible expressions we can use to connect the sentence. So because can be used introduce the cause explaining the reason. Similarly, because of introduce a phrase explaining the cause, and by reason of indicates the cause or reason for something, and due to can be used in the sense of explain the cause or reason for an event. So connects cause and effect in a sentence. So with this slide you can able to understand that in a sentence cause or effect expressions can be used anywhere in any part of the sentence. If you want to highlight the effect first in the sense, by in that case you can use the term because or because of. For instance, he became obese because he eats too much of sweets. So here we are talking about the effect first, whereas the reason comes second. Suppose if you want to say the sentence in a different aspect. He eats too much of sweets, therefore he became obese. So like that you can interchange the sentence according to the need of the expressions. So here we have a small mind map. This thing will help you to recollect what we have seen so far. So we started the topic with the 5 stages of design thinking, and we defined the topic cause and effect, and we explored the topic with an example along with the suitable expressions, and practice with more exercise, and also do identify the cause and effect in a sentence. Thank you.